On the Pfaff sewing machines, one thing I've noticed is that the throat plates are both in inches and millimeters, making it really nice. And I say that because not all machine companies do both. So when you're sewing along and you're following different lines on your throat plate, there's a time where you might run out of lines because it needs to go further this way. That is why you will love the seam guide that comes with this machine. All you need to do is loosen the screw that's directly behind the foot and slide the seam guide in. Measure from the needle out to the guide where you want to follow, and then all you need to do is stitch, watching the seam guide next to the edge of your fabric. This is a great way to sew multiple rows that are parallel of decorative stitches. So if you're filling up fabric or stitching out a stitch book full of your stitches, set the seam guide on the machine, and now they'll have something perfect to follow as you sew.